merci beaucoup. Toodaloo, toodaloo, everyone chante. Were you on the wrong side of the bed when you arose? Did a leaky fountain pen redecorate your clothes? Did you have a snack at night which didn't quite agree? Let's do what they do, the people of Paris. Chantez, chantez, sing a little Paris song. Chantez, chantez, everybody sing along. Let's all sing when any little thing goes wrong. Toodaloo, toodaloo, sing with me, merci beaucoup. Toodaloo, toodaloo, everyone chantez. Did you lose a kiss because your lover has a cold? Did you go to buy a bargain after it was sold? Did you buy a ticket when you could